And we're learning more about those intense discussions on the way forward for the Bahamian Riviera on Cable Beach.
Now, we can tell you that a press conference was held at the office of the Prime Minister late this evening, detailing the nature of those high-level talks between government and Chinese stakeholders on the Baha Mar bankruptcy, as well as the future of the multi-billion-dollar resort. Here's Prime Minister the Right Honourable Perry Christie.
It transpired at the Beijing negotiations that Baha Mar's additional funding requirements had increased considerably and now included not only funding for completion of construction, but funding to meet startup and operating expenses, funding to cover other liabilities, and deferral of principal and the initial balloon payments under the loan facility with Exim Bank. I am advised that both Exim Bank and China Construction Company demonstrated flexibility in meeting Baha Mar's expanded funding requirements and project completion date. This notwithstanding, Baha Mar still wanted an extended period for further negotiations, which was not acceptable. Baha Mar was also not prepared to agree to terms which would have included the immediate discontinuance of their Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings in the United States and their legal action against China Construction in the United Kingdom. The Attorney General has today filed a winding-up petition in the Bahamas Supreme Court against 14 Bahamian entities that filed for Chapter 11 protection in the United States at the end of June. These compulsory or involuntary winding-up proceedings are designed to work in very similar terms as Chapter 11, but with the stark difference that they will be controlled by a provisional liquidator under the supervision of the Bahamian courts, rather than being controlled by Mr. Ismailian. The liquidators, if appointed by the court, will be neutral and impartial professionals of the highest quality and of impeccable credentials. Importantly, the role of the liquidators will be to expedite the resolution of the matter and to prepare a plan for the restructuring of Baha Mar that will result in the earliest possible completion and opening of the project.